Man, I just don't know why they did all this chrome on this bike. Give a blackout option at least. Looks better in real life than it does in the videos, but still, I don't like the chrome. All right, we got the 2025 Street Bob. I do not like the chrome on this thing. They have really did this thing a disservice by not offering a blackout package. But this bike is fun. I tried to get some footage of me riding it, but unfortunately it did not work. So I'm gonna see if I can ride it again here, because this bike is pretty cool.
All right, guys, I never did get a chance to ride that Street Bob again. Too many bikes, not enough time, but I am gonna do a video on that bike compared to my bike now, which is a 21 Street Bob, so that's coming up. But until then, let's go ahead and let's do the Low Rider S.
Alright, so the last time I was on a Low Rider S, I bought one of 2022 completely behind him. Yeah. So anyway, the last time that I was on a Low Rider S, I bought one in 2022 as my first bike. I had no idea what I was doing, and well, I wrecked it, hit a tree, hit a retaining wall, ended up in someone's driveway, $12,000 of damage, and that one was gone. So I have been looking forward to getting on one of these. Brake on this thing is squishy. Whoa, this thing is jumpy.
All right. Slowly let out on the clutch.
Ton of power. Ton of power. God, I can't believe how much power this thing has, and this is stock. Woo! Got my attention, that is for sure. I would need to do some adjusting on this. This is, I do not like where the shifter gear is. That is way too low. Do not like it. This thing has got a ton of torque and a ton of power. This is their high flow engine, 117. The Street Bob that I was riding, that was a classic, so that's pretty much a souped up 114. But I will tell you right now, this bike feels good. I like it. Absolutely love it. One of the knocks I will have on it right off the bat is the shifter. It is too low. I don't like it. I would have to do some fixing on that. But power-wise, comfort-wise, this thing is extremely comfortable. The handlebars don't sit up as much as what the Street Bob does, but man, holy crap, this is a nice bike. Everybody here seems to be on a CVO ST kick. Everybody wants to ride the CVOs, they want to ride the baggers. I don't understand that. I mean, this bike right here, this bike is fun. The Street Bob is fun. I'm gonna have to get on one of these bikes here soon just to see what the heck I'm missing. Apparently I'm missing something because everybody's loving these things. God, I just want to blow by this dude and go. No, we can't. Hey buddy, we're ready to go. You got to get that thing going. There we go, baby. Man, this thing is fun. Oh, just took a rock to the leg. Dude got a Hoonigan sticker on the back of his trike. I don't think he is probably drifting that thing, but I mean, you never know. You never know. Alright, man, I'm going to tell you what, from a new rider's perspective, the Low Rider S is a pretty sweet bike. I will say that if you do get this bike as your first bike, or whatever you're going to do, probably going to need some parking lot time before you take it out. If you've ridden for a year or two and then you get it, you're not going to have any problems. This bike is amazing. Smooth, lots of power, easy to maneuver.